What's going on, guys? Here we're on Yukon Valley, hunting pretty much anything I can find, but mostly wolves. We're gonna be actually bow hunting Yukon Valley. So I have 600 grain arrows in my crossbow. I got 420 grain, and then I got 300 grain. So we're just gonna walk over here, see if I can see anything decent at least. What time is it? Oh wait, let me go back to my map. It's 11:11. See if I can see anything decent. It is wolf resting time now, but it's about to end. 11:30 is wolf resting, and that's, speaking of the devil, is a wolf. So let's see if I can. I'm kind of hoping it's a decent one. Level 6, okay. That's a max weight level 6. I don't think I ever. Wait, is that max weight 6? Yeah, that is max weight. I don't think I can hit that from over here. Get him just when he stops. See what I can get. Yeah, hit to the left of him. Oh, is he aggressive? No, he's fleeing. Okay. This ain't gonna be ethical. But if I can get him with a crossbow. Right behind him. Nope. Okay, I suck. I'm booty cheeks. So we're gonna reload this. That's it. That's a max weight wolf track. But is that the one that was running? Yeah. That is one. There's another max weight one. I've been needing a decent diamond wolf. So, hopefully, I can get this with a bow. Cause that would be cool, taking a diamond wolf with a bow. Well, there's one of my arrows. So the first shot was, I'm close to him. Barely to the right. I mean, yeah, to the right. No, to the left. Duh, I'm such an idiot. So, we're gonna see if I can get another track of this max weight wolf right there. I don't know if it was gonna be a 9 legendary, or I don't know if it's gonna be 8, a 7, or a 6. Now I know 6 is canned. Very old. Okay. Rip. That's hoping that it is a 9. I hope I don't track this for as far as I'm going to. And it'd be a level 6 or 7. Oh, maybe it's been coming back or something goofy like that. That resting zone says 11 to. That one says 1700. That one down there by the lookout point, way on that ridge over there, that red ridge. It says that resting zone is only like 7 to 11:30. I'm pretty sure. Where does tracks go to this? I'm gonna do what I was gonna do before. Oh, of course. Right when I'm about to just quit trying to track it and maybe see if I can see it. Wolf. I can chase it down, that ain't the problem. I just want to spot it. Because if it's not something good, then I don't want it. Oh my god. Okay. That is a guaranteed diamond. I can't believe that just ran out in front of us. I called that. Diamond. A possible diamond wolf. Okay. I know the collar on me. Oh my god, I can't believe I just called that. Now, so I gotta sneak up to it. Hopefully, he'll calm down and he starts walking back. Oh my god. That's a guaranteed 39 to 41. Is it maxed than like 40? Get over this hill where I can at least just see him. So he don't take any away. Is that the same wolf I was tracking? Oh my god. Now I kinda wish I did sneak up to it. He ran the wrong way, because now now he's out in the open. Hoping he just kept running straight. Oh, snap, is that him? That's him. Okay. Track from afar. If he goes nervous, no, I thought he was gonna. Hopefully he goes nervous or something. I don't want him to flee. So I don't have. Or I don't want to track him for 8 years. Like, I want to be able to spot him because I don't want to run up on him if he's. That tent's right there. And he's right there. But I don't want to spook him back this way into the big timber. That's my only problem. Run over here real quick because I don't want to lose him. No, that's the wrong one. Where is he? There he is. I wonder if I can see him. That's. I'm 80 yards from him. Okay, this video is definitely going to be about this diamond wolf and killing it with a bow. I don't want him to get lost, that's the only reason, but he's never going to stop if I keep running towards him. But I don't want to lose him. See, if I had a gun, he would already been dead. I'm trying to kill him with a bow. I'm gonna sprint up there. If he turns broadside and starts... No, I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to take a walking shot. On a diamond wolf. So it looks like my wolf grinding has been paid out. And it was in a video too. Which that's even more cooler in my opinion. Oh my god, of course it's running, right? I don't understand how I'm gonna kill him if he never goes. He always flees. He hasn't, because there's no cover over here. The cover I got, being right next to a tree. If he stopped right there, 60-meter shot, I would sling that arrow. Of course, he stops right near a tree, right? He stops right at a tree. There's a moose out there. Cow. Oh. I don't understand how he's not even been alert. Like, he was alert, I'm gonna prone. Hopefully he'll go nervous. Like, I know where he's gonna go. He's fleeing. He's following him all the way up here. It's a guaranteed diamond too. That's the thing. I don't wanna. This might be a longer video. I'm definitely gonna try to get him on the ground. I don't want to lose him either. Like if he went broadside right there, I think I would have let one fly. I don't want him, of course, right? He's not going to stop. How am I going to get him to stop? I'm going to lose him before I get him to stop. Well. I wish I knew he had it where his zone was. He was somewhere over here. I'm going to lose him. No, my luck. He's going to walk around somewhere and then just disappear. No tracks, no nothing. I want to get him with a bow. I don't want this video to be 80 minutes long. I may just chase him, not even get a shot off. Look, what did I say? He has no tracks. Not a single track. Now explain why the tracks are that far apart. If I had a gun, he would have been dead. There he is. Okay, I guess this is going to be a whole video of me tracking this diamond wolf. I swear if I mess him up, I try to take a stupid shot because I don't want to chase him for another hour. Like, I don't know if he could have just went alert right there. And I'm running up to him and is spooking him again. Ow. Where's he going? Probably gonna run over here. If he runs all the way over there, like, I don't know. I don't want him to go. I don't want to lose him. I know he was right up here. I might just go back and get a gun. But I want it with a bow. Like, bad. I need to get a diamond with a bow. Wait, is that him? Oh my god. Of course. Right? Why can't he go aggressive? If he went aggressive, that would be perfect. Of course, he's fleeing big time. Why did he have to move as I shot? I was already clicking the button. That would have hit probably at least one lung, I know that. Oh my god, I got a headache. And he's, oh my god, he's falling sprinting, huh? Nope, I'm not gonna shoot. He's just gonna give me a chance to catch up to him. There's my arrow. Next time he stops like that, I'm gonna shoot him. Zeroing. Yeah, if I had a rifle, he would have been dead. Especially this angle. Oh my god. Not know what I would. He's right there. Like, the 9 is right there. Like, if he could just stop and turn around like he did. Dead wolf. Stop, but right behind a tree. That's my luck. How far am I set up to zero in for? I'm guessing. Well, oh my god. I don't even know where I'm going. If he walked all the way down here, I'm just gonna stop there and get a gun and shoot him. I ain't chased him for. It's already been 17 minutes and I haven't killed a single thing. You know what? Oh my god. Okay, maybe that will let him. Hopefully that'll let him. I'm mad right now. Why is he not stopping? I know I'm chasing him, but I let him have all the room he needs to at least go alert. No, my luck, he's for some reason, just like they always do. I had another diamond wolf that I tracked this far, and all of a sudden he disappeared. No tracks, no nothing. Where is he? Right there. Oh my god. What's that to 100 meters? If I could track him from afar, out in the open. I'm trying to see if I can get. But I don't have the 22, so I can't do like the 22 trick to get him to stop. This is gonna be a 30-minute video of me tracking a wolf. If so, then I'm just gonna go back to the closest thing and just get a gun and shoot it. Get a four-wheeler, drive it all the way back over here and shoot it. Because I'm gonna. God. Turn around more and more. That's all I need is him to keep turning around like that. And then hopefully one time he turned around and I'm nervous. Because he's 118 out. I ain't taking that shot. See, he's getting too far. Why is he not stopping? Usually I go out and do whitetail and whitetail will stop right away. They do it all the time in my great one grind. So stupid. Oh my god. I swear to god, if these things go aggressive, Why is that one not going aggressive? Yeah, they're aggressive. Oh my god. Well, I lost that 9. I gotta kill these. They're all aggressive. I'm pretty sure I hear them growling. That's level 6. Nothing good. Never mind, I thought he was aggressive. Of course, he's going to the forest, right? He's going right towards that outpost. If he gets like here, I'm spawning there and getting a gun. Because I have to get at least it's 20 minutes long. Why is he not stopping? Yeah, I realized first 10 minutes I chased him. But why isn't he stopped? I let him have 125 yards. All he wants to do is keep running. I don't know how to make him stop. He hears me. He's going right up. Everywhere he goes, he's going to the center. So if I can get where I can see him, and then I'm just gonna crouch walk. See if he go nervous. Probably not. I bet he's gonna walk 223 meters and not. That looks darker than they usually do. So, he went 150 yards. Come on, let me spot him. Why is that stupid spotting outline not going away? I'm trying to spot him this. Oh, yes. Oh my god. I got it. What time does it end? No, it ain't. Don't say. This is gonna be the one and only kill in the. Wish I had a call. Sucks I didn't bring it. I'm gonna try to call him in. If I can get within 40, if I can creep up to 40, that would be perfect. I'd love to know, like. Probably just one of the zones against 1700, so he just sits there throughout the whole, like, I don't want to take a shot at this. So if I can, I want to keep moving along the edge of this and get perfect broadside. Take my time, take a good shot on him. I just don't want him to stand up, that's the thing. He's within 90 here. Probably, if I can. How far is that tree? Tree 70. So I'll probably be in. Oh, oh my god. That was a vital hit. Oh my god, sorry I wasn't talking, I was just nervous. Oh, that's vital blood. Oh my god, guys. I finally got him. That's vital blood. Before anything stupid goes. Diamond. Max weight, max score. Oh my god. Oh my god. I tracked him for 1.5 kilometers. Get some screenshots. That is insane. Look at that shot. Right through the... Oh, I'm so happy. That was all worth it. Oh my god. 30-minute video. So we got something we gotta go back to the lodge to. Oh my god, guys. That is insane. There he goes. Look at that. Diamond Wolf. Oh my god, guys. That is insane. Max weight, max score, Diamond Wolf. That is insane. Holy. Well, with that being said, if you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!